Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can get referral code on Viewpoints app. So it's actually very easy. I'm just going to show you the best ways on how you can get it. But before that, just make sure that Viewpoint is actually supported in your country. So it's not supported in my country, but I'll just show you how you can do that. So in this right over here exactly, how to get referral code. And in referral code, you plus the guy or your friend or anyone that uses the referral code both earn up to 4,000 points. It is like $12 per referral. So find it on your app profile. Just open Meta Viewpoints on your phone, tap the account profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then scroll down, tap invite friends and refer a friend, and your unique code appears like whatever this is, and tap copy and then share via built-in invite message. Go to the same invite friend section in account tab, share, tap the share button, and app generates a full invite message with your code and download link. And you can also then send via WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, or Facebook, whatever, and then invite directly via email as well. Open invite friend section and tap invite via email. Type your friend's email address and hit send. Meta Viewpoints sends them an official email with your code embedded. Friend also downloads the app, enter your code, sign up, and you both earn the points. So you should just get points, and this is how you can get the referral code. So I hope this truly helped you out. I'll see you soon next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.